weird about... Wait, what? Looks like it might have been glass.
Yeah, I think it was.
It's a Superior.
It is glass.
Kinda.
What the heck? Why would they do that? They took out the windows.
Or it never had any and it's just...
Oh. This building is so weird. This is so bizarre. It had to have had windows because it looks like these were windows.
Yeah, I have to look at it on Google Street View. Because the hoistway right now doesn't look like it ever had windows. Let's do another ride up and listen to the motor.